we always love the way we do the things. You know, you are very passionate about your work. So once the movie comes out, have you seen your movies and then you are giving compliment to yourself and saying, "Arey yaar, yahan pe ye hona chahiye."
I'll tell you
the best part.
No, I don't.
When you see your movies,
I don't go and watch my movies, and
don't tell me.
No, I have not. And I think when I did Mirchi,
okay,
and you know, I was invited for the audio launch, and I didn't know that it was such a big thing, and I wasn't even here for the audio launch at that time.
Okay.
And then after, I think I happened to meet Prabhas in a party somewhere, and he said that, "Do you know that it's a very big hit?" And
yes.
I was like, yeah, I've heard, because every time I call up anybody here, the ringtone is my song.
Yes.
So he was like, "It's a very big hit, and the movie is very big." And I was like, okay. And
you were just so normal about it, right?
Yeah, it was very normal for me. And then when I went to the theaters, and he, like, you know, arranged for it, and I went to the theaters and I saw, and I was like, my God, that's like, yeah.
So it means you saw the reaction, but you never watched your movies.
No, I've hardly watched any of my movies.
This is not done, yeah.
I haven't. I don't know. It's a little. I think being an actor, it's a little like it kind of you know, you go into very, when you have to watch yourself on screen. I think you become your own critic, and it's not like a nice thing afterwards. So I feel like it's easy for me to not watch me, and I just, you know, get directed.
Maybe your dad watched you.
Oh yeah, they all watch.
They can't miss your work seeing that, right?
Dad watches, and
So what they used to tell, because your dad was very close to you.
Yes, he has always been my biggest critic, and he is, you know, it's. Obviously, it's your child. You want to, like, you know, see to it that. So he pushes me, and he pushes me to do best. So yeah,
that's. I mean, when I heard about your dad, I mean, I used to call him, the way he used to give a warm welcome, the softness. I really loved about it. So obviously, all daughters are close to fathers. When it comes to mothers, what remembers you about mother? If you have to share her memories or something.
Oh, she was a rock star of her sort. She was warm and extremely chirpy, very high on energy, because she was very fast. She was I'm nowhere close to her when it comes to her energy levels, and, you know, the kind of things that she used to manage. So a multitasking woman. Oh my God! And she was an entrepreneur herself. She had 2 stores, and she used to run 2 boutiques.
So you never helped her? You never wanted, like...
Oh, I did. As growing up, I always looked up to her, and, you know, she used to be in the boutiques, and she used to be, you know, doing her thing, and I was always like wanting to help her, but she didn't want me around because I was like, you know, disturbing. It's like a typical mom and daughter thing. So yeah, it was fun.
So still like that.
Yeah, so those memories are very strong.
So if you see it, you know, there was a time when lockdown came, things were like totally different.
Yeah.
I was watching your videos. You were like so full of energies and giving positive energies. That time the social media was also on the hype side. So you just started your own platform channel where you were like portraying all the things, what needs to be done, but the fitness part also. So that was the idea that time came, like when the lockdown.
No, it was, see, the thing is that, you know, when you're like locked up in for that many days, and you don't know what are you going to, you know, how you're going to kill your time, and somebody who was used to traveling so much and always out there, and I think I thought, I have all the equipment at home, just let me
put up a camera. But at that time you're very strong, you know. I know your dad was not well.
Yeah, oh my God.
You had a very time.
Yeah, that came in
because that time I was calling you and your dad was not well, your grandma was not well, all of a sudden everybody, and you have to handle all of
the second wave. That was the second wave. The first wave is when I did a lot of videos and a lot of cooking and all of that. Where
you
I
were
was
like
just
interacting more, and
with
suddenly
a lot of
we didn't see you.
So I obviously got busy with because my entire family was admitted, and it was kind of very, very tough on me, and, you know, I had to get that thing done. So that stress really boiled down on me.